I turned on the news, saw how the waters rise. It brought me to tears to see how many have died, and many victims, children, they had no chance. Rescue workers doing everything they can. Down falls the rain, flooding the plains, tearing family apart. Both the young and old, a rising death toll, breaking every American heart. Though it's causing so much pain, down falls the rain. Fathers searching for children, mothers mourning those gone, not understanding truly how things went so wrong. Americans from all around come to lend a hand, praying to find survivors, doing the best they can. Down falls the rain, flooding the plains, tearing family apart. Both the young and old, a rising death toll, breaking every American heart. Though it's causing so much pain, down falls the rain. This isn't about color or politics, it's about the innocent, those who still haven't been found, as the rain keeps coming down. Down falls the rain, flooding the plains, tearing family apart. Both young and old, a rising death toll, breaking every American heart. Though it's causing so much pain, down falls the rain. This devastating flood brought so much pain. Still down falls